Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mutton rolls at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of minced mutton, 2 large onions, and 3 green chilies. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 8 to 10 spring roll wrappers. These fresh components are the foundation for truly delicious homemade mutton rolls, ensuring a fantastic flavor profile from the very start. Next, we will prepare the savory mutton filling. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Sauté your finely chopped onions until they are beautifully translucent. Then, add the minced mutton, cooking it thoroughly until it changes color. Stir in 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and a pinch of salt to create a rich, aromatic mixture that forms the heart of your rolls. Now comes the fun part, assembling your mutton rolls. Lay a single spring roll wrapper flat on a clean surface. Place about 2 tablespoons of the prepared mutton filling near one edge. Carefully fold the sides inward, then roll the wrapper tightly from the bottom upwards. Finally, use a cornstarch slurry or a little water to seal the final edge securely, ensuring your rolls stay intact during frying. Finally, it's time to fry and enjoy your delicious mutton rolls. Heat about 3 cups of oil in a deep pan to approximately 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully fry the assembled rolls in small batches until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become wonderfully crispy. Drain any excess oil on a paper towel-lined plate. Serve these hot, homemade mutton rolls immediately with your favorite dipping sauce for a truly satisfying treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.